What is up, you guys? It is your boy Jordan Tyler, and you wondering why I look like a friggin' a ninja? Cause I'm a ninja. Wah, wah, wah. You ain't gonna see me coming. I'm just kidding. Anyways, it's 20 degrees out here in Texas, and I gotta get some stuff done on my bike. I'm not riding it because it's way too cold. Oh, Kami's hair. If you don't know, I have a husky. Oh, Kami's hair on my eyebrow. That's why you always see white fur. We're getting the front tire put on today. And we went with the arcade chain. And we went with a Vortex rear sprocket. I've already changed out the front sprocket. I don't know how long these chains last, the OEM ones. And I'm thinking I need to change them. It's like, I don't know, they're starting to make some noises. I don't know how to tell when you need to change them, but they're starting to make some noises. They're starting to move around. And so I need to change these. And I need to change the front tire because I've already changed the rear tire. I never changed the front one. So now I'm going to change the front one. Tune in with us. Enjoy the video. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. I know some of y'all ain't doing it. You get to put the boop, 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 boop. Yeah, I look cold. It's cold out. I'm wearing like 5 layers. It's the coldest day of Texas so far. I won't, because tomorrow's supposed to be 19, so it's supposed to be colder tomorrow. But yeah, let's get the bike going. She pretty. She always pretty. You know how it is. Let's get to it. They're probably gonna be like, you swap gloves. My soapy water froze, guys. Here's proof that it's really cold out. It froze. This was a long day worth of footage. I'm tired. This was ridiculous. Like, got the front tire put on. This thing was a pain in the butt to bead. And a pain in the butt to put on. chain put on with the Vortex chain sprocket, 40 in the rear. I still have to lube it up. Make sure you clean that wax off. That wax isn't that wax is not chain lube, it's just wax to protect the chain, I believe. But make sure you clean that wax off. And then there's my bell. But yeah, I used one of these clips everything about this bike's been a pain in the butt today, but it's done. I didn't have a Torx bit. All my Torx bits are at work. I do have Torx bits, but this one is a T45 and I only have a T47 with me. So I use the flathead. I would not recommend using a flathead, but I use the flathead. There's a bolt on the other side, and I use the impact for the other side and then a flathead. Like I said, I don't recommend that, but it's on. I just need to lube it up. I should be good to go. Tank tension on, good. Some people might say that's too tight, but I looked at the manual and I measured it up and I got it on there. That's how the manual said to do it. So apparently there's a, yeah, there you go. There's a looser spot when you loosen it, tighten it. See. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. I am tired and exhausted. I gotta go to work. See you on the next video. Peace.